Welcome to Technocrat CS Academy. In this video, let's understand what is cluster indexing and how it differs from primary index and secondary indexing. So let's start. So what is cluster index? Cluster index is similar to primary index because here main file is a sorted one. In cluster index, if ordering field is not key field, that is primary key, then the index is clustering index. In this type of indexing, several records in file can have same value for ordering field. So cluster indexing is, in cluster indexing, it is an similar like primary index because the main file is a sorted one. But in index file it contains non-key value attributes. That means it's sorted on non-key field. So the difference between primary index and clustering index is that it based on non-key attribute. Now what is mean by non-key attribute? Non-key attribute means it's not an primary key or order key. Now for example, let's consider one table, that is student table. In student table, there are some attributes like roll number, student name, subject, class, etc. Now, roll number is the primary key of student table, or it's an order key or primary key. And apart from the primary key, that is student number, student name, subject, class, etc. are non-key. That means apart from primary key, other remaining key are called as a non-key. So in primary indexing, the main file is a sorted file and indexing can be applied on primary key or order key. But in case of clustering index, here in indexed file, we apply on non-key attributes. Now there will be a unique value of each non-key attribute. That means what? Suppose if there are some non-key value are repeated. Now in this main file the record 11 and here record 11 are repeated, means it's in twice. So but in index file the record 11, that is non-key, is enter only once. That means what? In if some non-key value are repeated in main file, then there must be one single entry or unique entry for that particular non-key attribute in index file. It's called as a cluster indexing. Now there is one more important point of cluster indexing is that cluster index satisfy both indexing, like it can be follow sparse index and dense index. Now what is sparse and dense index? We have already discussed in previous video. Now here how cluster indexing is follow sparse indexing. Now what is mean by sparse index? If main file is sorted and index file not allowed to make entry for every record, it contain few some attributes called as a sparse index. Now in this case of cluster indexing, though the non-key attributes are repeated like record 11 are repeated, then there is not an entry for every search key value. So there is an example of sparse index. Now if we talk about dense indexing, now what is mean by dense index? If there is any key, whether it is key or non-key, and that's an entry for every value in index file called as a dense index. Now in this case of cluster indexing, there is an entry for each and every key called as a dense index. So cluster index follow dense index as well as sparse index. It's sparse index because there are few some record of non-key value enter into index file, and dense index because there is entry for every unique non-key value. That's why it is called as a dense index. So this is all about cluster indexing. So cluster indexing is nothing but if ordering field is a not key field, that is primary key, then the indexing is a clustering index, and in this type of indexing there are several records in file can have same value for ordering field. So this is all about cluster index. Thank you.